everybody, it's Beth from SweetHearts and I'm here today with Bailey Boo, who is very excited, as am I, because it's not an ordinary video. We are going to be doing Cindy Lou Who. And what's that off, Boo? What film is it off?
The Grinch.
Yeah. Her and Abby absolutely love The Grinch, so we are excited. We're going to give it a go. We're going to make it as daft as we can. So, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do as Cindy Lou Who is part Bailey's hair straight down the middle. So going from the front all the way to the back. Don't take too long about this. It hasn't got to be perfect. And then what I want you to do, guys, is just make a little circle shape. From one side to the other. So that's half a circle, and then do the same on the other side. And then I'm just going to kind of like twist this hair and pin it out the way. And then just pop these two side bits in a hair tie out the way. Then just release this hair down, like so. And then what I want you to do is sort of try and get this hair so it's sort of all the way around. So there's a hole in the middle. And then all the way around you've got hair. And then all I've got is two little donuts. So you could use socks to do this, you could use half a bottle, but I've decided to use two little donuts like that. And I'm just going to kind of like join them together by pushing a grip in. You're then going to place this. Now remember, wherever you place this is where Cindy Lou's little like weird little thing that comes out of the head is going to be. So try not to place it there. Try and make sure it is bang on the top of the head. Okay guys, so what we're going to be doing next is just grabbing hold of this hair like so, and we're just going to be smoothing it over the top. Okay guys, so when you're happy with where that's sitting, just pop a little elastic, try and get it central, otherwise they have like a wonky bit on the heads, like that. So this bit's kind of optional guys, because on some of the bits Cindy Lou's just got that one piece, and then other times she's got like a little extra. So I'm just going to back comb just a little bit here and make like one extra little piece. And then I'm just going to kind of pull the centerpiece and push with my fingers, if that makes sense, just to create that little sort of bubble effect. And then I'm just going to pop a little elastic in. So this is a little bit wobbly, so what I'm going to do is use these bits of hair to sort of make it secure. So I'm going to go from the ends and just start rolling this up a little bit. And then I'm going to pin that there like that. And then just use a little pin, grip, and just pin that down like that. And then these last two little bits, I'm just going to kind of wind them up. I'm going all out with this style, guys. You don't have to do all these fiddly bits if you don't want to. And then I'm going to put a little red bow there. And then I've gone a bit crazy, guys, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to put this one at the top. I actually got this off my Christmas tree. Okay guys, next we're going to do the little plaits on the side. So I'm going to sit them about here. That's where I'm going to put the hair elastic. So this is just me, again, being a little bit over the top. I'm going to wrap a little bit of hair around the elastics just to cover that original, are you smiling, Boo? That original elastic like that. And then I pop another one on. And it just means that those little bits of elastic are covered there. Okay, so sorry Bailey, I'm going to use a bit of wire, guys. Now Bailey's just been a bit worried, thought I was going to electric her head. That was her words. But no, we're going to braid with that just to get the braids a little bit more structured. So I'm just going to push that wire up and through there. Like that. Feed it through so it's half and half. And then, thank you boo, I'm going to do the same on this side. So I'm just dividing the hair into 3 and we're going to do an ordinary braid. But I'm just going to make sure there's a bit of wire in at least 2 of the sections as I'm braiding. I'm just going to trim off the edges of that wire. Just pop an elastic in the bottom. So I'm just going to do exactly the same to the other side, guys. So me and Bailey have been laughing about this all morning. This fringe, or bangs if you're in America, came in the post, didn't it Bailey? I think it'll be great for Cindy Lou, but I wouldn't personally wear it as a fringe because it's just so shiny and thick, but it'll do for today, won't it Bales? Yeah?
And Grandpa put it on and it looked...
He did, yeah, Grandpa put it on. Grandpa's bald, guys. It was hilarious, wasn't it?
Yeah, we were going to put it on Facebook, but he was like, no.
So now I'm just going to lift up these little braids. If they've got longer hair, you want them sitting all the way up there, but Bailey hasn't quite got long enough hair, so I'm just going to place mine about here. And then again, guys, I'm just going to wrap these up. And now I'm just going to randomly pin things across the top here because I want to cover up this fringe. Okay guys, so totally optional, but me and Boo have gone all out. We're going for lashes. You ready, Bailey? Close your eyes, Boo. Now this bit is the bit that Bailey is most excited about, isn't it, Boo? What is it?
Earrings.
Earrings. So that is mine and Bailey's Cindy Lou Who tutorial done. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. I think we should just go around the shops and just show everybody. What do you think? Yeah? Do you reckon we should? Do you think they'll laugh at us?
I don't know.
I think they probably will laugh, but that's okay, it's Christmas. And I'll see you next week, guys, for another video. Bye!
He'll work with all his might, even if it takes all night. And we'll get this ball finished for our Christmas.